தாயின் அன்பாய், தந்தையின் அறிவாய், குருவின் ஒளியாய், தாயாய் தந்தையாய் குருவாய் தெய்வமாய் நாம் அனுதினமும் வழிபடுகின்ற புனித பாரத அன்னையின் பொற்பாதங்களை முதற்கண் பணிந்து வணங்கி, in the felicitation ceremony, the dignitaries who are sharing the dais with me, Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Sriman Ravindra Narayana Raviji, Honorable Minister of State of Parliamentary Affairs, who is working with me in the Rajya Sabha, and he is the State Minister for IV also, Dr. L. Muruganji, Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Justice Manindra Mohan Srivastavaji, and Honorable Minister for Finance and Environment, Climate Change, Government of Tamil Nadu, Sriman Tangam Tennarsuji, and the people who felicitated me by their speech, Sri S. Veerachalianji, through Naladambiji, through Kalpayaji, and the dignitaries who are sitting on the dais, the opposition leader of Tamil Nadu Assembly and former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, EPS, EP Palaniswamy, and our Member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha, and he is the King of Music, Ilayaraja ji, and the dignitaries who are coming here from representing various countries, as Consul Generals, and the people from the officers from the armed forces, former ministers, and our Legislative Assembly member from Tirunelveli, Naina Nagendranji, and dear brothers and sisters. I always do only one thing in my life, that whether it is success or failure, that doesn't make much difference. Success is to be taken it, yes, it is, and it should be, that should not be allowed to go into your brain too much. If you take that into your mind too much, then you will feel that you are something great, you are above everything. That we should not get at any point of time. At the same time, if we fail is a part of our life. We should not get dejected, we should not lose our heart, we should not become so diluted. Failure is also a part of our life. It is just like the day and night. It comes and goes, and we always should not stop our journey till the last breath is there. That is the one philosophy on which I am working all the time. So, my elevation to this Vice President of India position, I must thank our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the members of the Parliament who elected me to this post. I want to tell you only one thing, that we all supposed to differ on many things. That is what is democracy. If there is no difference of opinion on anything, there is no democracy. If we all agree on one thing all the time, every time we all agree for one thing, that will lead to dictatorship. So we are supposed to differ with each other, but the way we differ should bring more finer tuning to the existing things. We should not oppose someone just like for the sake of opposing. We all should be positive in our approach, and we must be always constructive in our approach, which is good for the society. For that we all should stand. So I always say we all must work together finally. We have to differ, we express our opinion, we have to hear the opinions of others. Then finally we are coming to a conclusion, then we all must accept it and we all must work towards it. I always say there are two types of spirit. There is one group spirit and another one is team spirit. A small difference only, but that makes big difference. Group spirit always serves the ambition of some individuals. It will not serve the ultimate aim, or the ultimate benefit will not come to the entire society. Whereas team spirit, it is not only serving the individual aspirations, it always recognizes the individual contributions, but ultimately the team spirit makes a big success and big victories. That is the difference between group spirit and team spirit. Team is an enlarged one and it takes everybody together. That is where the real success story is there. That we must always keep in our mind, as it was mentioned by our Honorable Governor, Seppumoli 18 Udayal eninum Sindhanai Ondudayal. That is, we speak different languages. One of the ambassadors from Belgium came to me when I was the governor of Maharashtra. He simply asked me one thing. There is how you are managing the whole thing. I asked him, what? You people are always speaking different languages at different regions. Still this country is one all the time. Such a big country with so many languages, so many castes, so many divisions, still you are living together. Whereas in our country there is no difference. We all are, most of them are white. There is no skin difference even. But only we speak 2-3 different languages, but people are demanding that this small country like Belgium should be divided into 2 or 3. Then how you are managing? I told them that we are not managing. It's natural. Because we speak different languages, but we all for one single dharma. Based on that dharma, that is justice, we always stand by the good, we always stand by the moral, we always stand by the positive things. We never want to harm others, we never want to do bad things to others. That is where this country is sustaining on its own. There may be problems. Yes, there are problems. Who is not having the problem? Everybody is having the problems. Even within the family we got a lot of problems. But every problem can be solved if we pay patient attention to the views of everyone. Finally, we should make a consensus, and that consensus should get implemented. This is what the style I want to work with. Our Muruganji was telling me that how to deal with the Rajya Sabha. I will tell you one thing. I was never a member of the Rajya Sabha. I was a member of Lok Sabha only for a short period of 6.5 years. 2 times I was elected as an MP, but the 2 times put together, it is hardly 6 plus 2-3 months. Then when you work today, you may not get the benefit today itself, or you may not get the benefit next month, or you may not get the benefit within 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, but your work will never go waste. That's what I understand. When I was elected as the first time as an MP, I used to go to the Lok Sabha and I will be sitting there. Those who can understand the system of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha working, you cannot ask the question as you like. If your question has been selected on lot in the draw, then you have every right. Otherwise, it is the will of the Lok Sabha speaker. He can call anybody. Like that, not everybody can speak on every subject. But you have to be very good at with your party leadership. The bigger parties are getting lot of time, no doubt about it. But that lot of time will be shared by the lot of members. So you have to wait. So in the beginning, when you are a newcomer, you have to wait and you have to listen to the elders, elderly leaders who are speaking in the parliament. I spend a lot of time without speaking even a single word on a day. That gives me a lot of experience that how the opposition will be speaking, how it has been handled by the ruling side, treasury benches, and how everybody will speak where they are deviating from the main subject. All these things are patiently listened by me. That gives me the experience that how to handle this Rajya Sabha. That is the success story. You take Ilayaraja ji, I have heard about him. Bharati Raja, in one of his interview, he praised him. There is no instrument, but still he was playing the music. That is the reason why he is accepted as one of the best music director in the whole of the world. He has been invited by UK and he has composed that symphony there in London. So it is all our interest. If you find that I am not getting this, I am not getting that, I am not getting this, then you will never get anything. Whatever is available with you, you try to do your best. When I was selected as the chairman of the Kayar board. The total Kayar board budget layout was only 75 crore at that time. Only 75 crore. Majority of the money will go for this salary. But when I took over, it was only 652 crore exports per year. I said I will double this in 3 years because my tenure was 3 years. This I said in meeting of the exports, the first meeting of my Kayar Exports Association. I said, to my surprise, the leading exporter themselves didn't believe it. One of the leading exporter came to the dais and when he was speaking, he said, I appreciate the optimism of the chairman, but it is too ambitious. That was the word he used. But I spent a lot of time. I don't know what is Kayar product. Because we know only to fetch the water from the well, that is on Kayar we know. The other Kayar one, what we know, he is always used in the car festival to pull the car. Other than that, I don't know anything else. But I spend a lot of time. I go to every exporter's house, where how the Kayar being manufactured, what are the quality problems they are having, how to control it, how to modernize it. everything I started studying one by one. But by the time when I am completing my 3 years tenure, the Kaya exports have reached 1,562 crores. When I left after 3.5 years, then Modi ji called me and he said, your tenure has been extended by another 1 year. I was forced to resign because I want to contest the election. So 2019 I resigned my post and I contested the election. Of course I lost the election then. People are talking about, I have contested 5 elections but I got success only in 2. I have lost 3 elections. So why I am telling this, success or failure, we should not worry about, but we should worry about only one thing, whether we have tried our level best, whether we have given our total efficiency for that success, whether we have tried full, whether we contributed and we take the contributions of the people who are working with us to the best of the level that has to be taken. When you have done your job correct, the success or failure, it is not always in your hands. That we must keep in my mind, in everybody's mind, and we should move forward. Success or failure cannot be determined the success of your whole life. Your life success will be determined not on a single day, but on your entire life journey. That we always should keep in mind. And I thank the governor and all the people and our Tamil Nadu ministers who both are sitting here, one at the center and one at the state, who have complimented me from their bottom of the heart, and I am thankful to them. And I will tell you only one thing. பணமும் பதவியும் வரும் பொழுது பணிவு வர வேண்டும் என்பதுதான் நம்முடைய தமிழினுடைய இந்திய தேசத்தினுடைய கலாச்சாரம். When you got more power and more money, you should become more humble. Then success is yours. With these words, I thank everyone for giving me so much of affection. You have shown it on me, and your words is giving me so much of energy that I should work more and more. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your